Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Yeah, hello.
Hey guys,
Yeah, hi.
how's it going?
Hello.
Hello. I'm audible.
Everything's good. Rush, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
What do you have today, Rush, for us? I know you are into gold so much.
Sorry.
Are you going to share your screen?
Yeah, I can share my screen.
Okay, please.
Gold's been boring today.
Yeah.
It's
too
just
slow.
waiting for, it's because we have FOMC and some economical data coming out tomorrow night. Market's trying to chill out, slow, waiting on rate decisions and everything from the FOMC statement tomorrow. And then we have some action coming up on Thursday based on the economical data we get tomorrow. And then Friday is a bank holiday, US bank holiday. So it's going to be chill. We had the biggest move happen yesterday. Today's going to be chill. And then tomorrow we're back to action.
Okay. Maybe you can share the screen and you take us through maybe XAUSD.
Yeah, I'll share my screen. Hold on. Could you see my screen?
Not yet. Yeah, now it's here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm currently on some gold shorts. I personally shorted from around 48, 49, but I sent a signal from 41. And I don't like the setup. I don't like the shorts I'm in currently. But my personal stops are very close, so it's at 51. So the only reason I shorted is because we don't have enough liquidity and momentum to break 50 yet. And market looked like it wants to sweep, grab some liquidity, tap at least 25, and then move back up again. And we had this big rejection engulfing candle. So that's why I took my shorts. And if you look at the 5 minutes, we were rejected from 35, even though we weren't supposed to reject 25. We were supposed to at least reject from around 32. Yeah, we were supposed to reject 32 or 25. As you can see. However, I'm still with the shorts because we need to grab some liquidity from the lows, test out London and Asia lows before moving forward to New York session. So if you can see it really makes sense because 50 is a very strong level that we have. Lots of action on it previously. You can see, hold on. Lots of action on 50 from before. You see over here how many times we tried to break 50 and we couldn't. And then we came here. We also couldn't break 50 at first for 350. You see, we had a hard time around for 350, and then we broke it, couldn't break below it. And then, yeah, we dropped earlier during Asian session. Since yesterday, actually, we kept dropping all the way to 4306, and then moved back again to 50 and rejected. So I see that we're just gonna stay in between that zone, 4,300 all the way to 4,350 until the US economical data is out tomorrow. Then market is gonna make its decision and pick which side it wants to go. Obviously, we had the speculations of the peace treaty, Iran and the US opening the Strait of Hormuz, and gas oil prices dropped massively, which drove gold higher since market open till now. And this is the only reason we have that could push gold higher. Besides that, everything else, including economical data, is is and should drive gold lower. So, this is my analysis, and those are my thoughts. Do you guys agree? Are you guys uh, in any positions right now? What do you see?
Like I haven't took like I took a trade today in gold. It's a small scalp
Hmm.
on buy. So just give me a
Okay.
minute. Not now. Around 2:45 a.m. US time.
Yeah, so you were trading around London and Asia, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it's 12:30 p.m. Like I actually traded London session. Like I'll just share the entry. Just give me a minute.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's like even right now, it's just playing. Um, it's we're gonna have some nice momentum and move about New York Stock Exchange Open, which is after an hour and a half almost.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you able to see my screen?
Oh, let
Yeah.
me let me stop sharing my screen.
Sure.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Fine. So I actually scalped in gold around this level. Like let me just explain the entry. So gold is
Hmm.
actually when I was looking at the chart, it is actually near a support level. Like the market actually previously took support from the same resistance level one first time, and again it is taking multiple times support. And what
Mm-hmm.
happened is like the market actually broke this consolidation level and with a very good momentum on the high side. So this is a clear sign that the market is actually going to go higher. But again, like when I'm into a trade, like I always look for a discounted price for buy trade and premium price for sell trade. So I just waited for the market to retrace back, and what happened is like again the market went down and it actually retraced to the 50% level of this consolidation. And what happened is again there is a small consolidation and then the market started breaking up. So this is where I got a confirmation that the market is going to head. But again, like I haven't entered here. I just waited for retracement to happen, and that happened here. So like I can able to see a very good down close candle, and the next candle actually engulfed the previous red color candle. So this is where I got confirmation, and I entered around this level. So this is my
Beautiful.
trade, and my stop loss is actually a bit difficult here because like I do have imbalance over here. I kept my stop loss around this low, but this is not a perfect stop loss because there are high chances that the market may retrace and then fill the imbalance, and then again it may go up. So it's a risky
Hmm.
stop loss, but I kept my stop loss around this level, and my target is initially my target is this support level. Like the market will like react to this level, it will act as a resistance now. So this is my first target, and my second target is this particular fair value gap. This is my
Hmm.
next target, and if it breaks further, like I expected this level to reach. So these are my target levels, but I closed my trades once I saw rejection around this level. So I entered here and I closed around this level, and my stop loss is here. But this is not a perfect stop loss. A perfect stop loss would be below this imbalance. This will be a very good stop loss or below this low. So this is the
Yeah.
scalp that I took today. This is my only one entry for the day.
Okay.
Okay. So
Actually, it's
like
the best way around this market is to scalp. It's the best
Because
way.
are you guys like you are, yeah, as you are doing some analysis on gold, like what do you expect tomorrow on the rates? Do you think every hour should lower them? Will it affect how will it affect gold according to the analysis?
Yeah, like overall, I'm actually bullish in gold because, like, if you look at the 4 hours time frame, you can able to see after very good fall, the market is actually reversing from a key level, and the market has started making continuously higher rise. So this is a good sign of reversal. Like I'm actually bullish over here. Uh, like I'll be looking for buys only. Whenever the market is falling, I'll mark a key level. I'll mark a support level, and I'll expect a manipulation to happen around those levels. The for example, like
Okay.
just give me a minute. Yeah. For
My
example, if the
personal.
market falls and then if it takes the lows and if it start reversing, I'll be going for buys. So whenever the market is falling, like I'll be marking the lows and I'll be looking for buys in gold. This is my actual plan in gold as of now.
Yeah, every pullback is a chance for more buys, basically.
Yeah,
That's what I'm looking for as well. Every single pullback we get is a chance for more buy entries.
yeah,
Um,
exactly.
and whenever you're in shorts, you actually need to take profit. You cannot stick in them, regardless of the move that's happening, because the overall bias right now with the technicals and fundamentals is bullish for the time
Yeah,
being. However,
exactly.
I personally cannot trust Trump and the U.S. peace treaties and all that, because it changes every second, and
Yeah,
that's why I'm not holding any swings. All I'm doing is day trading, scalping, flipping small counts until the situation is, let's say, 90%, 80% confirmed, and I'm actually confident that they're not gonna, you know, give us a hard time, uh, change their opinion, uh, go and bomb them again. We need to, as traders, we need to trade according to what we're seeing in front of our own eyes. We're not supposed to trade according to what we want. So if the
True.
market is going bullish, we're gonna go bullish with it. And if it's bearish, we have to go bearish with it. And we cannot go inside the move before it happens because of the fundamentals we have currently. So, for example, what I'm doing is, even if I see a perfect setup now, I don't trust it until I get all the confirmations needed in order for me to get in and hop on. Just because, you've seen the past few months how the market has been and how we would get wrecked easily with one word from Trump. So trading
yeah,
this market has to be very, very precise, and we need to be very careful.
that's correct.
So did he confirm that the peace agreements will be sealed on Friday?
Sorry, what?
Did he confirm about the agreement between Iran and USA?
They supposedly confirmed it, but I still cannot find reliable sources that say Iran accepted it. The U.S. said, "Oh yeah, it's confirmed, and that's it. We have peace. We opened the strait. We stopped the blockade." But you don't see anything from Iran. Iran didn't say a single word. They didn't say they accepted. They didn't say that. Yeah, we have a deal, and that's it. No more war. So there's something. There's a missing piece from the puzzle. By
Okay.
the way, I closed my
And for me,
short.
I think Trump has been consistent when it comes to denying and lying when it comes to the war.
Yeah, yeah, of
Yeah,
course,
so
of course.
I think all the chances are the chances of this to be false, they're high, you know,
Hmm.
because he
And
keeps
he
on
does
saying
it.
we won, we because like he said we hit their navy so hard,
Yeah,
their military so crippled. and then one attack, and Saudi Arabia was attacked, Qatar was attacked, you know. So
Yeah,
I just think Trump is just trying to do damage control. You know, it's
yeah.
just
He doesn't know what he's doing. Trust me. But
so we more chances of seeing more sales.
yeah,
That's according to how he has been always lying and denying about things. Because was it yesterday when he came out and said that the details the media is trying to put out, some of them they were not included in that deal, like the 300 billion
yeah.
that it was
The
in that deal.
frozen funds.
Yeah, because if he accepts that, it's a lose for, you know, it's a very big loss for them,
Of
because
course.
it was Biden gave them money. He said Barack Obama gave them money, and
Yeah,
is multiplying that money into billions. I think we still have a long way to go with this.
of course, of course. Um, and you see, the thing is, like, I want to give a setup for people now in the live,
Okay,
but there's no setup to give. Like, look at what
you're right.
gold is doing. There's nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
You cannot,
You're
we
right.
cannot even take a single trade right now because it's just playing around. It made a fake out. If you look at the 1 minute and small time frames, it made a fake out. Um, and then it's dropping again. And it's just gonna remain this way. It's consolidating. Um, there's no liquidity. Market's
Yeah,
very
exactly. Like
calm.
there is no liquidity.
It cannot break 4350 without liquidity. And then
It is,
it,
and
we need,
even if you check other assets, the market doesn't look so good.
yeah,
A lot is happening this week. As you have said, we have that G7 summit in Paris, which is
yeah, yeah, yeah,
ongoing, and we have a bank holiday on Friday.
exactly.
We have interest rates tomorrow.
Yep. And
I
then look,
think
look at the dollar. Look at the DXY. Dollar is making a pullback. Not pullback, sorry. Like dollar's going upwards. Okay. It's trying to
mm,
recover from the gap that happened during the weekend. So dollar is pushing higher. What does that mean? That means gold is supposed to drop. All right. At the same
right.
time. And then when we're saying gold drop, we're not saying yeah, gold's gonna fall. We're just looking for 4325 or 4300. I personally see that we will get a sweep to 4300. And after 4300 is swept, we will go all the way back to 4350 and just chill there until the decision tomorrow, the FOMC and all that. That's what I personally see.
You're right.
Yeah,
You're
like
right.
To go
the
for
setup,
short now.
guys, the setup that I gave honestly is worth the risk. It's barely anything. What, like 100 pip stop loss at 51, and then the TP1 is at 25. TP2 is at 300. Pretty fair and square. If anybody wants to hop into that, it's boring. It's risky, but it's worth it. It's not a big stop loss. 100 pips. See, for example, your entries from 4341 as I sent.
Yeah.
SL51, TP25, TP125, TP2 300.
I mean, we do have a small trend over here.
Yep, it's dropping as I said.
Yeah.
Perfect. Mm. Rishi, did you put the signal? Did you the setup?
No, like I'm just testing. Like I took on trade right by zone. That's it. I'm done for the day.
Okay.
This is like I'm just testing.
Okay. I'm personally away from Nasdaq and everything else. I'm just on gold.
Yeah, Nasdaq is actually pretty good. Like it is clearly bullish. Oh,
It's much cleaner
oh,
than gold.
oh. Okay, when I was looking like the market is actually over here, but now it is falling. But overall, again, like if you go to higher time frame, like the market is clearly bullish.
Bro, catching some sells on Nasdaq later on when it decides to drop would be crazy.
Okay, it is actually reversing. Sorry.
Nasdaq, the way Nasdaq is moving, it's like they are. It's like we have some fundamentals. It's dropping.
Pyramid
Yeah, like my
40.
action looks good. Go trades. The market is clearly bullish, and you took buys in 4 as FEG, right? Also keep a stop loss with respect to 4 hours level. Don't keep a stop loss in lower time frame. I just want a strong down close candle to close below this low with a good
Yeah.
momentum so that
I wanted to
I'm
close below 38.
yeah.
Below 38.
Yeah, it's looking good. Salahuddin, like, could you share your screen for a minute? Like, my lap
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
getting hot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hold on.
I'll close the screen just again.
Okay. Close your.
Yeah, done.
Mm, there. You guys see my screen?
Yeah, it is moving good now. Yeah, we can able to see screen.
Okay. I like to watch the 5 minutes and 15, but on the phone, I just watch the 1 minute when I'm executing a trade. I I really see it dropping. It will drop. TP1 is
Yeah,
25. Let's see. Boring day. Very boring.
Very boring, man. No
Yeah.
entries. The
Bro,
market
the
is too
the the
small.
thing is, the thing is, our live streams should be around NYSE open because it's where the real fun is.
Mm,
It's always more action. Um, you agree with me, don't you?
yeah, I agree. Because right now, no moves, you know.
Exactly. It's just chill right now.
It's all about, it's like forcing trades,
Mm-hmm.
forcing entries,
Exactly.
you know.
Let's see what happens. We just gotta be patient. Mm, mm, mm.
oh, okay. Again, it is reversing. Salahuddin, like, could you continue the stream? Like, I have to go out like for an emergency.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'm here.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
it's okay.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys.
Take care. Look at the dollar. Are you in any trades?
No, 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 no. I only traded early in the morning. London Open, German
Mhm.
40. But right now, I'm just observing, and I don't think I'll be taking any trade today.
Okay. Yeah, better off. Well, this market, man, I'm so mad.
Hmm.
It's just messing around. Look at it.
No volume, bro. It's so slow, so
Yeah.
slow.
The thing is, when this happens, it tempts me. It tempts me to add more positions. Not gonna lie.
Mm, mm.
Because I like to layer a lot of positions when I'm trading.
You are my opposite. Me, I only take
No,
one
impossible for
heavy,
me.
one heavy one, and I hold.
I layer. So if I'm not trading my big account, if I'm trading my small account, I layer and I tend to go big, like very big. So
Okay.
if it's $1,000 account, I start my positions with a point 15 and then run my way up to one lot. Um,
Okay.
but strategically, obviously, I layer my positions and um, around every 25 to 50 pips, I add more positions. Every 25 to 50 pips. And I divide my charts. If you see my levels marked on the screen, every 25 pips, I have a level. And then you see every time it makes a reaction. Every 25 pips, look, 50,
Mm,
25,
mm,
almost 300, 75 almost. So you see, it has to react to every level I mark. See here,
mm.
you got this
The
reaction.
reaction is
You
there
got
on
this
every
reaction.
level.
Look, look. Every 25 pips, you get a reaction.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is how I trade and mark my levels, and they've been working perfectly. But my only weakness and the only time I tend to get lost and basically go against my rules sometimes is when market is consolidating, and that is when I and everyone else lose money
Yeah. For example,
because
I believe many people are going to lose their accounts in this
yeah.
week
Hmm.
because I think the week end zone it has to be on Thursday maybe
Yeah,
because if
yeah,
we have a bank
Thursday.
holiday on Friday, nothing will happen.
Exactly. You're just gonna have some action during Asia, and then London's gonna kill the volume, and then that's it. It's just gonna consolidate. I'm literally trading from the garden today, not even in my office,
Mm.
because we finally got some sunlight over here.
But as you said, our live streams will be better when we do it on
Yeah, yeah,
open session opens because at this moment the markets are consolidating. You can't find any entry.
yep. Text on the group chat. I'm gonna tell them as well. Like,
Yeah.
just that idea because it's not only me, and this isn't the first time we talk about this. Everyone
Mm,
agrees that if it's around New York's NYSC Open, it's better because
mm.
we have action. We're not just sleeping in the stream. How long have you been trading for?
Since 2015,
Oh, nice. That's nice.
it was 2015. Yeah, I've been here for some good time, bro.
That's nice.
What of you?
I've been trading since 2019. I'm
Mm.
Khalid's student. Khalid mentored me
You are
personally.
the CEO of funding people.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You are his student.
Yes.
Wow, that's great, bro.
He's my friend. I know him in person, and he got me into trading.
Man,
I
for
mean,
me,
I was into trading before him, but then um he
actually,
got
for
me
me,
into gold.
I always tell people I admire him as a person, the way because I was around when he started funding pips.
Yeah.
I was already trading with other prop firms when they
Hmm.
launched funding pips, and how you see where funding pips is right now, and
Yeah.
leave alone funding pips, even trade in. Today, people are looking at trading
Yeah.
as we used to see funding pips when it launched,
Yeah.
and the way the team of trading, the way they are operating, I'm seeing this to be one of the best brokers in 5 years from now. Right
Of
now, Funding
course.
Pips is the number one.
Funding pips is number one
Yeah,
prop
if,
firm.
if you if you told someone 2 years back that FP will be number one, no one would even accept it. They will take it as a
Yeah.
joke. Yeah,
Because
so
look
you
at all
are
the firms that opened at the same time and were existing already when funding pips launched. Where are they now?
you're right.
Most
For
of them
example,
shut
now,
down. Most of them shut down.
me me, I traded with I can't mention the firm here, but
Yeah.
in 2018, 2018,
I know
2019,
which firm you're talking about.
that's
It-
when I started being interested in prop firms.
Yeah.
But someone like me would be like, at this level, I would be having multiple accounts from different firms.
Hmm.
But when I saw what Funding Pips is providing, I decided to concentrate on Funding Pips alone.
Hmm.
And right now, I'm maximum funded with them. Pro
Hmm.
account, I'm trading pro accounts. I'm having 300K with them. So I
Yeah,
don't
bro.
stretch. I don't force myself to go with other firms or what. I only trust them. They pay me. Payments are instant. I'm having a pro account, it's like my personal account. I get my
Mhm.
withdrawals weekly, the spreads.
Yeah,
So I don't know how long it will take for many people to understand that when you are dealing with this online business, the trading thing, it's not only about the services, it's also the people who are running
of
that
course.
company. If you're trading with funding pips, the people who are running funding pips, it's what matters most. Yeah,
Yeah.
so from here, I trust the team even more than the services, the what. I trust the team. And that's why I'm looking forward to join trading, to deposit with trading.
Trading is
It's a
very,
very good
very
tool.
good, very smooth.
So you are lucky to be a student of Khalid, bro. You are lucky.
Of
So
course.
lucky. Even to be close to him, so
Yeah.
lucky. He's a good guy.
Oh, I don't know what's happening with me and everyone else. A lot of the traders we have here as well. All our Instagram accounts got deleted. Somebody, I don't know why my Instagram got deleted. Um,
But I think maybe it's a planned attack.
yeah, because my account has been deleted for 4 days now, and every new account I make gets deleted as well.
Because like
It's crazy.
was it last week? Last week, like the previous 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Have you realized that many people have been attacking funding pips on X?
really.
Even on things you can easily see, things you can openly see, you know.
Most of the people that's been attacking us on Instagram, you know what they've been doing? They text you, they're like, you either pay me, you send me money, or I'm gonna delete your Instagram account. And they're actually
Sure.
doing it.
Ah,
Crazy, dude. Yeah, bro. They did it to Anand, if you know Anand, and other
yeah, I
traders
know.
as
I know.
well. Yeah, they've been telling us either you pay up or I delete your Instagram. So I'm like, I ignored. I'm like, yeah, it's BS. Oh, I don't believe that. You can't delete my Instagram. And then
Hmm.
boom, my Instagram is gone.
Okay, but for me, that's why for me, I'm not so much interested in Instagram.
Mhm.
Me, anything, as I have told you, for me, I prefer trusting the team, you know,
Mm-hmm.
I prefer trusting the team which runs a company than the services. For me, from day one, I don't trust Meta.
Yeah, Meta, you cannot
I don't
trust.
trust any service from Meta. That's why I don't. If you check my Instagram, I don't even have time for it.
Yeah.
I only use TikTok. Sometimes I use TikTok, and actually I use TikTok most of the even my streams are on TikTok.
Okay.
Then I also use X, mostly X and TikTok.
X
Other
is
social
the best.
medias, even YouTube, man, even YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the way they do their things. They can easily take out your account without even appealing. Now, for example, if you delete my Instagram, how am I going to appeal?
You can't. I
You know?
appealed and nobody even replied to me. And I've had my account since 2016, bro. My account is since 2016. Nobody even replied to me.
My account, even if you check it, it's 2014. I opened it in
Yeah.
2014. The same time with my ex account,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't give Instagram time, bro.
That's better. You're smart for choosing that.
I don't use. I posted back then, but now I've checked it now. It's stuck there on small followers, 1,000,
Better,
1,000.
better off. That's better off.
Meta when it comes to security, bro, I don't think they are good because even back then people used to take other people's Facebook accounts.
Yeah, you remember that shit.
They are not. It's not a safe company, bro.
That's true.
And you see how the market moves. It consolidates a lot, a lot, a lot.
Yeah, look, there's nothing. It's boring. I'm about to have a nap.
Yeah.
Like, it's not gonna
So
break 50.
I think we should close off. What do you think?
Yeah, honestly, it's boring. But please type on the group. Tell them that we need to start our lives doing New York, like
Okay, bro.
NYC.
I'm going to do it.
Yeah,
It's now an hour. It has been now an hour when we are here.
yeah.
Okay, so let's close it,
All
bro.
right.
Have a good day, man.
You too, bro. Take care. Stay safe. Enjoy your day.
Okay, bro. You
All
too.
right. Bye bye.